The importance of supply chain management and logistics in manufacturing. Hey there! Ever wondered what keeps the wheels of manufacturing turning smoothly? Let's dive into the world of supply chain management and logistics in the manufacturing industry. First up, let's talk about supply chain management. This is all about managing the journey of a product from production to delivery. It's like symphony where everything needs to be in perfect harmony, matching production capacity with demand, cutting down lead times and keeping costs low. Then there's logistics. Think of it as the backbone of the supply chain. It's about planning, executing, and managing the flow and storage of goods. Being agile here means we can quickly respond to any hiccups or sudden change in demand. And why is all this important? Well, efficient supply chain management slash production costs by ensuring smooth material deliveries. It's also crucial for economic growth and even supports societal needs like disaster relief and medical missions. Here are the key components of supply chain and logistics in manufacturing. First, planning, deciding what products are needed and when. The second is sourcing, which is getting the necessary components and managing supplier relationships. The third is inventory management, keeping direct stock levels to avoid shortage or excess. Fourth is production, which means turning raw materials into finished products. Fifth is shipping, which is moving finished goods to their final destinations. Sixth is returns, which means handling product returns and recycling. And the last is transportation and warehousing, which means managing storage and movement of goods efficiently. So, why is supply chain and logistics so crucial for manufacturers? The first is efficiency and productivity. Streamlined process mean higher productivity. The second is cost reduction, which is optimized inventory and transportation save big bucks. The third is customer satisfaction, which means timely deliveries and quality products keep customers happy. The fourth is risk management, which means mitigating risks like supply disruption keeps things running smoothly. And the next is sustainability, which means promoting eco-friendly practice is a win for everyone. And then is agility, which means quick adaptation to market change keeps business competitive. And the last is economic growth, which means efficient supply chains drive overall economic prosperity. Wanna know the best practice in its file? Here you go. The first is foster collaboration. Emphasize the importance of closely collaborating with partners to better address disruptions. This includes sharing information, joint planning, and integrating process to enhance supply chain responsiveness. The second is supplier relationship management. Advocates treating suppliers as partners to improve product quality and supply chain resilience. Strong supplier relationships can enhance visibility and availability of critical raw materials. The third is adapt to regional change. Highlights the importance of adapting to local supply chain change to maintain operational flow. This includes understanding local regulations, market dynamics, and changing logistical conditions. The fourth is use technology. Encourage leveraging automation and data analytics to optimize the supply chain. Technologies such as AI and IoT can improve operational efficiency and visibility. Next is build alliance. such as sharing research and expertise with key partners to enhance supply chain efficiency and innovation. Then focus on total cost of ownership. Advocates considering our related costs, not just direct purchase price, to make better financial decisions within the supply chain. Second is optimize inventory. Recommends maintaining appropriate inventory levels to save costs and improve responsiveness to customer demand. And the last is conduct regular reviews. Promotes continuous monitoring and improvement of supply chain operations to ensure efficiency and ongoing adoption. The manufacturing industry also faces some challenge and opportunities. The first is globalization. It's managing complex international networks and market conditions. The second is technology, which is adapting to rapid tech advancement like IoT and AI. The third is regulation and compliance, meeting various regulatory standards. The next is environmental sustainability, and then supply chain resilience, and last is human resource management, which means addressing skill shortage in supply chain roles. So, there you have it. Supply chain management and logistics are the lifeblood of the manufacturing industry.